So, welcome back to your rejuvenation blueprint. Everybody has one, and either your blueprint works against you and you get older, or it works for you and you get younger. That's how powerful it is. The power of your mind over your sabotage strategy, which is centered in the reptilian brain. This is neuroscience. Okay. So, what is your rejuvenation vision and what are your goals? Your 1 year, 3 year, 5 year goals. And why is that important? Because you can use your mind to project into the future. You can use your mind to change your body. So, how do you do that? Well, where do you want to be in 1 year's time? Would you like to be 2 years younger, 3 years younger, 5 years younger? It's all to do with your belief system. If you think you can be 10 years younger in 5 years' time, fine. So write this down. So when you write things down in your writing and you say it with your voice, then your subconscious mind takes it as law. Did you know that? Because it's your voice, it's authentic. It's what you speak and what you write, your subconscious mind takes in. Okay, so you could write, for example, by August 2026, I am now 5 years younger. By August 2028, I am now 8 years younger. By August 2030, I am now 10 years younger. And say to yourself in the mirror every single day and use now. Use by and use now. Why? Because the subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between the future, the past, and the present. So it's always in the present. So another tip, say to yourself in the mirror, every day, in every way, I'm getting younger and younger and younger. And watch the wrinkles move from your face. Now, does it help to eat it healthily? Absolutely. So it's not just what you say, it's not just your vision, it's what you eat, what you drink. If you drink celery juice every day, that will definitely help your liver, it will help your blood, it will help the quality of your blood. And eat clean foods, eat raw foods, eat lots of vegetables and more vegetables than fruit. Okay, so Emile Coué came up with the idea. He was a pharmacist, but he also was a psychologist, and he helped thousands of people in France to heal by saying every day, in every way, I'm getting better and better and better. So I'd like you to say in front of the mirror, every day, in every way, I'm getting better and better and better. Every day, in every way, I'm getting younger and younger and younger and more beautiful or more handsome, as the case is. So thank you for watching and wait for my next series.